embrace of nature, Atmasantulana Village, founded by Padmashree awardee Shreeguru Dr. Balaji Tambe, stands as a beacon of holistic healing and spiritual awakening. Join us on a journey to explore this sanctuary where the ancient wisdom of the Vedas is brought to life. 40 years ago, Atmasantulan was a vision in the making, a dream of creating a space where the body, mind, and soul could find harmony. Today, that dream is a vibrant reality. Atmasantulan thrives on its organic farms, where nutrient-rich produce is grown using traditional Vedic methods. Cows roam freely and provide nourishment in the form of milk and ghee. Daily practices of yoga reconnect individuals with their inner selves. The essence of Ayurveda is practiced with care, offering personalized treatments to restore balance and wellness, guided by ancient traditions and wisdom. At Atmasantulan lies the Shiva Temple by the pond, which offers a space for introspection. The Ram Mandir radiates with chants of righteousness, and the Hanuman Mandir inspires with strength and devotion. Together, they form a spiritual haven within Atmasantulana, each temple a pillar of the holistic journey offered here, where devotees gather to seek solace and blessings. Within the spiritual enclave of Atmasantulana, the AUMKAR Temple, with its distinctive design, encapsulates the essence of all, inviting all who enter to immerse themselves in the vibrational harmony of the universe. It's a place where silence speaks volumes, guiding seekers towards inner peace and enlightenment. The AUMKAR Temple enriches Atmasantulana's spiritual landscape, making it a place where the ancient and the eternal converge, offering a sanctuary of tranquility and awakening. Nourishment at Atmasantulana transcends sustenance, with every meal crafted according to Ayurvedic principles, balancing the body and soul with every bite. Our journey extends to the world-class GMP pharmacy, where ancient, traditional, authentic methods blends to modern technologies. Recipes are prepared with precision, encapsulating the purity and potency of Ayurvedic healing. Atmasantulana Village, a sanctuary of wellness, spirituality, and natural harmony, invites all to embark on a transformative journey. Here, amidst the whispers of the past and the vibrancy of the present, the spirit finds its true awakening.